In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the admin or educator panel of Simventure Validate. So first type in the URL app.validatestartup.com and that will bring you to the sign-in page of Simventure Validate. I'm using our demo admin account as an example here. So I've typed those details in and now you just click login. So once you're logged in, you'll come to the user-facing side of the platform. So this is the area that your learners will actually be using to develop their ideas, fill in their business model canvas, test their assumptions, and share a lovely digital portfolio. So you can actually use this section as well if you choose to, but of course that's not why we're here today. Today, I would like to show you how to access the admin or educator panel so you can see what your learners are up to, monitor their progress, and also add new students to the class if you would like to do so. So to get to that area, firstly, all you do is go to the top right-hand corner and there'll be a blue button next to your initials that says either admin or educator. In this case, because I've signed into our demo admin account, it says admin, but if you are set up as an educator, it will say educator instead of admin. So just click on that button. Now that is going to take us to the admin area of the panel. Now only admins or educators from your organization or institution will have access to this area. This is not something that's accessible for learners using the platform. Now, as you've heard me mention, there are two types of administrative levels to validate. So you've got an admin account and there are educator accounts. So there should always be at least one admin per institution or organization. And then a lot of the other academics or lecturers or learning development professionals, whoever is using the account with learners, will be set up as an educator usually. So that's just to explain that the account I'm logged into is an admin account. So it gives me extra insights that educators wouldn't get. So firstly, everyone will see an overview at the top of Validate. So these are some overview generic stats for an admin. These stats are for the entire organization or institution. Whereas for an educator, these stats are about the classes that they've just set up. So that's the big difference. An admin will see everything for the entire organization, whereas an educator will only see the classes that they're involved with. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see a couple of tabs across the top here. For admins, you will see this admin educator tab, but if you are set up as an educator, you will only see the class, project, and student tabs. So on the admin and educator tab, this allows admins of your organization to create new educator accounts or admin accounts for the organization. So to do that, you just click on the create new admin or educator button. It also gives you a quick overview of the actual educators or admins that you have on the organization's account. So the second tab up here is class. Now, this is how you would organize your different groups of activity within Validate. So say, for example, you're running an enterprise module for engineering. That might be set up as one class, and another class may be for an entrepreneurship competition across the university. So that's just two different ideas. But essentially, this helps you break down the activity that you're conducting or using Simventure Validate for. This is also how you would add your learners to Validate and give them access. By that, I mean you go to the Create New Class button. You would fill this out. So I will do this quickly now. And then when you create the class, you get a link. And this link is what you share with students that you want added to that class. So when you share that link, they'll receive basically an access page to allow them to create their own account on Simventure Validate. And once they do that, they will automatically appear within the class. As an example, if I click on this test class for admin here, it will then give me this, firstly, the statistics, the information overview about this class, but it will also show me the projects that have all been created in this class, and the students or the learners all signed up to this class. So this class only has 3 learners, as we can see here. But we can go back, and then this brings us back to the main admin page. So that's what class does. Project allows you to look into your students' work a little bit more. So essentially, whether you've got students working individually or in teams, if you click on a project, that is the work that they've completed within Validate. You can also look at it from the student level. So if you just go to students, just a reminder again, I'm in the admin account. So this is going to show me the entire list of students for the institution or organization. So this is the list of students we've got signed up to Validate on our demo account. So here you can search by name to make it a lot easier to find a particular student. If we click into a student, so I'm going to click into demo student 2, it then lists all of the projects that this particular student is involved with. The pictures here, as you can see, it says team member. This shows whether they're working by themselves or in a team. So you can drill down basically as much as you like in the admin area. So if I click on this project here as an example, this shows me a bit of information about the particular progress. It shows me how much time students have been spending on the platform. I mean, this is our demo account, so it does say 0 minutes here. Ignore that. But essentially, it will have a breakdown of minutes per student that are involved in the actual project. And down here, you can actually view the work. So you've got the ideation that they've completed, the business model canvas that they've completed. Again, includes a sustainability block as well. The tests that they've completed for the business idea within this project, and the final portfolio as well. So this is all accessible to you. It allows you to monitor the students' activity, but also provide valuable feedback to them as and when you need. You can also view their portfolio as a PDF or a web page. But essentially, that is a bit of an overview of the Simventure Validate Admin and Educator panel. So just a quick reminder, all you do is you click that blue button in the right hand corner that says Admin or Educator, depending on your account type. But that will also give you an indication of what you will see. So if you're an admin, you'll see everything for the entire organization or institution. If you're an educator, you will only see the activity for the classes that you're involved with or you've set up. So another slight reminder, there can be multiple educators in each class. So if you are working with a number of individuals across the university to run a particular module or program, you might all be able to see that particular class if you've set it up like that. So I hope this little tutorial video has helped. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team. Our support email address is validate@simventure.co.uk, and we'll speak to you soon.